Alright, we back and we better. What up? It's Marie Nicole XO. Welcome back to our channel. We are vlogging today. So we about to go into the gym. That's the first thing on our list to do today. Are you ready to get this workout?
Are you ready?
She funny. I'm ready.
For real, because it's a real life workout today. So we're working legs and glutes today.
So stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So we back from working out. We went to go get ready to go to Kennesaw
to talk about maybe getting another degree and also passing out flyers for our personal businesses so we can get out there.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys when we get there.
Okay.
Awesome.
Vlog time. Rubber lifetime. Vlog time.
Yeah. Took a lot to get that bun, y'all. Took a lot.
Took so much. I feel like it's harder
That's why I was
than
like,
Snellville.
No, for real though. With jeans on.
Yeah, super hot.
I can't vlog like
We
this.
are
I just
back
feel
at
so
our
retarded.
alma mater. That's what it's
I
called,
should
right?
show y'all. Yeah, I guess so.
Hey guys, we're back.
Alright.
And it's hot as stuff.
So what we thought we was doing is putting flyers in the buildings.
Okay, sorry. I was talking about her skin though.
We thought we was putting flyers up. That's what we thought.
And it looks like there's rules everywhere. So we're trying to see in another building if we can put up some flyers.
Otherwise, we're going to the apartments we used to live in, and y'all gonna see us there. We tired. We so tired.
We didn't do nothing yet. Nothing yet.
Trying to get our business lit. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all we want to do.
Sorry if
Alright.
I'm looking over there, guys.
She being nosy. All right.
In my own. No, I'll be like looking in this.
Oh,
Instead of looking in
me
the
too.
Hey guys, so we stopped to eat and we still have not passed out flyers yet, and it's a whole 5 o'clock. We came here at 3:30. Okay, 3:30. So something's wrong with us, and we're just trying to be uncomfortable and actually do it. But we're trying to get some rules, and it's hard to get uncomfortable. It's exactly what it is. I hope you guys can hear her though, because it's loud in here.
It's hard to get uncomfortable.
But what are you eating?
A Mexican bowl. Cajun Mexican bowl. I never had a Mexican bowl in my life, y'all. It's good.
So we had to buy some tacks and some tape so we can be illegal and post our flyer.
Get uncomfortable by being illegal.
Right. That's what you gotta do, guys.
Oh, their building looks super close.
So again, we've been here for a whole 2 hours and still did not do anything. But we finally bought those tacks though. He said because because why?
Because we've been scared, y'all. Like, we don't want to go to jail for posting flyers, but the worst that can happen is
That they put them down.
he trying to make it seem like. Alright, trying to sneak and put flyers up.
We're running this stuff.
And whispering.
Whispering like, okay.
Where you get people who look for bulletin boards where other people putting their stuff. Just leave it.
Should we put it here?
Should we?
I don't know. You wanna try?
Alright, so what
Tired.
happened? We're tired. We're always tired.
Sad.
But we put up 2, y'all. 2 flyers because none of the buildings allowed it.
I'm not about to ask nobody, so You better ask
it.
him.
Nah, we just gonna do it because we got too many flyers. But basically,
Like, where can you really put up flyers?
right? How do y'all advertise? Please comment below.
Because the college is a great place for people, you know, with businesses and stuff like that. Like, I don't get it.
I don't get it either. It's just stricter now, though. We are thinking about getting another degree because our job will pay for it. So why not?
Exactly.
Which one you getting, bro?
I'll do marketing.
This is new to me. She said marketing. You ain't doing business?
It's business marketing.
She said that was
It's
two
in
different
business.
separate
It's
degrees.
a business degree.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I may do business or information technology, but I thought it was that smart. So.
First of all, she said business, but what would you do in business? We both discussed this before.
He's so dead. He tried to super attack me, and he's still trying to attack me. She's so weak, y'all. Bro, I'm so dead.
But I'm saying, like, we both talked about business. Hit me up. So, we both talked about business, and we both was talking about marketing and business. But now, all of a sudden, she's talking about some information technology, where she just asked me, like, since when you was thinking about marketing? Since when you was thinking about information technology?
We just confused. Listen.
So that it was stank.
She said, ah. This bug's trying to attack my hand. You hold it.
She said,
talk to the folks.
She want me to get attacked.
She said attacked as well. But yeah, you know how
I miss the school, but I don't miss the school.
Yeah, me too.
We passing out these flyers. We're not giving up because we have to be, what's the word? Uncomfortable. That's the only way your business can. That's the only way your business exactly can grow, because you can grow as a person. Period. So
Get uncomfortable, y'all.
Get uncomfortable.
Join us in the year of growth and uncomfortability. Is that a word?
Growth 2018.
Don't try. Oh my gosh, why they be trying to eat my eyes? Like, why are you trying to get into my eye though? What is it that you're gonna eat? My eyeball? Like, I don't understand.
19.
So let's tell you guys how like uncomfortable we just got. We went into random stores on the strips to ask to put, like, if they would take our flyers, and one lady was like, yeah, we'll put them in the back for you, so they'll never be seen.
So she probably just took them because she didn't even take them in her hand. She didn't even take them in her hand. She was like, yeah, just leave them at the front. We'll put them in the back for you. Meaning, we're going to throw that crap away.
Right.
Like, sorry, I was just wondering, can we leave another one?
Yeah, we just need to see a picture for our boss.
For our boss. When we're our own boss.
Because they need to make sure it's up. Thanks.
So now we're going to Walmart.
We're going to Target right now. She want to look for a mirror.
Yeah.
And what else?
A big old mirror. And that's it.
She want to look for a mirror and a big old mirror. That's what she said.
I was correcting you on what kind.
We can't hear you.
I was correcting you on what kind of mirror. Yeah, so she's passing out flyers right now. Into the cars. There she goes. Trying not to really follow her though.
So we in Target. You ready? Ready, left, ready. Look for a mirror that she been looking at for 5 different Targets. 5. 2.
This is the second
5. This is the third one. We look for one in Snellville too.
Yeah, a long time ago, not today.
But y'all gonna see that video. That's cute though.
It's a bodysuit. It's pretty cute. I'm not gonna wear it though.
On a positive note, we passed out flyers, put it on people's cars, and we praying that somebody contact us. Somebody. And you know,
and it's okay because Friday we became 1% better today. It's okay because
Yeah, we did.
we still got out of our comfort zone and started passing out flyers, talking to people, seeing if we can pass out flyers.
Right.
That's a start. So.
Yeah.
It's all right.